Wrong oil filter in car symptoms. Using the wrong oil filter in your car can result in a range of symptoms, many of which can lead to long-term engine damage if not promptly addressed. The oil filter is a crucial component in your vehicle's lubrication system, as it removes contaminants from the oil before it circulates through the engine. Installing an incorrect filter may lead to oil flow issues, contamination, and other engine problems. Here are detailed explanations of the symptoms associated with using the wrong oil filter. 1. Oil leaks. One of the most noticeable symptoms of using the wrong oil filter is oil leakage. The oil filter must have a proper seal to prevent oil from escaping the engine, and a mismatched filter can fail to create that seal. If the filter is the wrong size, or the gasket design does not match your engine's specifications, oil may leak around the filter's base. These leaks can show up as puddles under the car, especially after parking, and over time they can result in low oil levels. Low oil levels can lead to improper lubrication, which can cause excessive engine wear and even engine failure if the oil level drops too much. 2. Low oil pressure. A wrong oil filter can also result in low oil pressure, which is another critical issue. Oil filters are designed with specific flow rates in mind, and using a filter with a different flow specification can either restrict oil flow or allow too much to pass through. If oil flow is restricted due to an incorrect filter, oil pressure throughout the engine will drop. This can trigger the oil pressure warning light on your dashboard, signaling that the engine is not receiving adequate lubrication. Over time, low oil pressure can cause the engine's moving parts to experience increased friction, heat, and wear, potentially leading to expensive engine repairs. 3. Contaminated oil circulation. Another important symptom of using the wrong oil filter is the potential for oil contamination. Oil filters are designed to capture impurities and particles that can cause engine damage. If the wrong filter is installed, it may not have the proper filtering media to remove these contaminants, allowing dirty oil to circulate through the engine. This can lead to the buildup of sludge and debris inside the engine, which can clog small oil passages, reduce performance, and cause long-term damage to components like pistons, bearings, and valves. Over time, this contamination can significantly reduce the efficiency and lifespan of your engine. 4. Engine noises. Using the wrong oil filter can also cause strange engine noises due to improper oil flow. If the filter restricts oil from reaching critical engine components, you may start to hear knocking, ticking, or tapping sounds. These noises are typically caused by metal-on-metal contact between engine parts that are not being adequately lubricated. For example, the lifters and valves in your engine may begin to make noise if they are not receiving enough oil. Engine noises are a sign of serious trouble, and if not addressed quickly, they could lead to further damage, including engine seizure or the need for major repairs. 5. Engine overheating. The engine's cooling system relies not only on coolant but also on engine oil to dissipate heat. The oil absorbs heat from the engine's moving parts and helps keep temperatures within an optimal range. If the wrong oil filter restricts oil flow or does not filter properly, the engine may not cool down efficiently, leading to overheating. When an engine overheats, it can cause significant damage, including warped cylinder heads, blown gaskets, and even piston failure. Signs of overheating include a rising temperature gauge, steam coming from the engine, or a burning smell. Overheating is a critical issue, and if your engine begins to overheat due to oil flow problems caused by an incorrect filter, you should stop driving immediately. 6. Premature engine wear. Ultimately, the use of a wrong oil filter can accelerate engine wear. The filter's job is to protect the engine by providing clean oil to the moving parts, ensuring they are properly lubricated. An incorrect filter compromises this protection by either allowing contaminants to circulate or by not delivering enough oil where it's needed. Over time, this leads to increased friction, heat, and stress on vital engine components, shortening the engine's lifespan. Premature wear can manifest in a range of symptoms, from reduced performance and rough idling to major mechanical failures that may require a full engine rebuild. In conclusion, using the wrong oil filter in your car can lead to serious problems like oil leaks, low oil pressure, contaminated oil circulation, engine noises, overheating, and premature engine wear. It's essential to ensure that the oil filter matches your vehicle's specifications to prevent these symptoms and keep your engine running smoothly. Ignoring these issues can result in costly repairs and potentially irreversible damage to the engine.